Okay, children, so here we have a set, and it's a set of our bears. Now, set of bears in the hoop. Can you count how many bears are in the hoop? Count them there to yourself. Well done, it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 bears in this hoop. 5 all together. So it's a set of 5 bears in this hoop. Now, let's see what we can find out about 5 from our sets of bears. So we want to find out different things about 5. Like last week, we found out about the 5 cows in the shed and how they were divided up into different sets of 5. So we are going to partition. So with this set, we're going to make it into 2 smaller sets called subsets. Okay, and the way I'm going to put them into smaller sets is using this pencil to partition them, okay, to divide them into 2 smaller subsets. Now, so I'm looking at the 5 bears, and I can make them, at the moment they're all bears, but I could make them into 2 smaller sets. I could sort them according to colour. So on this side I'm going to put the green, and on this side I'm going to put the red. Now the green ones and the blue ones. Okay, so it's a set of 5, full set of 5, but then I have 2 subsets. One subset is a set of green bears, another subset is a subset of red bears. Now, so let's count our subsets. Okay, let's count how many green bears. 1, 2, very good, 2. Let's count our subset of red bears. 1, 2, 3. Now that gives us an idea about 5. Remember, we have 5 bears all together. So we can say that 5 is the same as 2 and 3. Because we have 2 green bears and 3 red bears. 5 is the same as 2 and 3. Or the other way around, 5 is the same as 3 and 2. Very good. So that tells us something about 5. I'm going to take away this partition. And that time we had our subsets according to colour. Now, can anyone tell me any other idea about 5 without changing this set of bears? Now, this time we're going to partition them for size. Okay, so size, big and small. Okay, so get our partition, put it down the middle. One subset of big bears, which is here. And here I have the small bears. So this is my set, and these are my 2 subsets. Okay, this is a set of big bears, and this is a subset of small bears. Let's count how many are in our subsets. How many big bears? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big bears. Let's count how many small bears. 1. So what does that tell us about 5? 5 is the same as 4 and 1. Again, 5 is the same as 4 and 1. Now, can you tell me does it tell me anything else without changing the bears? The other way around. 5 is the same as 1 and 4. Very good. 5 is the same as 1 and 4. Very good. Well done. Now, I could just divide them into a set, 2 subsets of bears, no bears. Bears, no bears. Let's count how many in our subset of bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many in our subset of no bears. None. So 1 subset of bears, 1 subset of no bears. What does that tell us about 5? 5 is the same as 5 and Nothing. Well done. 5 is the same as 5 and nothing. Now, without moving my partition, can you tell me something else, another idea about 5? 5 is the same as nothing and 5. Well done. So that's dividing it into our subsets. Well done.